Diatomaceous earth lawn dust can be used as a dry, abrasive barrier against chinch bugs, but it works only under very specific conditions and has clear limitations. When using diatomaceous earth for chinch bug control, apply only to dry turf and do so during mid-morning after dew has evaporated so the powder will adhere to the insects and grass blades. Use a hand spreader or a bulb duster for even coverage, aiming for a light, uniform dusting rather than piles that will blow away. Wear a particulate mask and eye protection while applying. Reapply after rainfall or heavy dew, because moisture neutralizes the abrasive action and the product becomes ineffective until it dries again. Focus treatment on known infestation hotspots such as sunny, thin patches, lawn edges, and areas near impervious surfaces because treating the whole lawn needlessly wastes product and increases drift. Combine dusting with cultural practices, reduce frequent shallow irrigation, aerate compacted soil to improve root vigor, and overseed bare spots to discourage chinch bug concentration. For long-term control, prioritize targeted biological products that contain Bacillus strains or reduced-risk synthetic products, applied strictly according to label directions, because these options offer more reliable population suppression when used as part of an integrated plan. Homeowners commonly expect immediate, rainproof results and then assume the product failed. The reality is diatomaceous earth loses efficacy when wet, so reapplying and choosing dry weather windows fixes that. Another frequent issue is overapplication and off-target drift, damaging beneficial insects and creating nuisance dust. Minimize this by using low-wind windows, targeted application only to problem areas, and protective equipment. A third concern is relying on dusting alone while ignoring irrigation and thatch issues. Address this by improving irrigation scheduling to deeper, less frequent cycles, core aerating compacted turf, and incorporating biological or labeled reduced-risk synthetic options for consistent control. We offer BigHomeProjects.com as a place where homeowners can find local contractors and where contractors can find work related to lawn care and pest management. We also host a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can share experiences, ask questions, and compare approaches.